Hello, welcome to third grade math. Hope you're having a good week, and I'm excited to teach this lesson to you today. I want you to turn in your math book, please, to page 283. Today we are going to talk about averaging numbers, which is a lot of fun, and you're going to like it a lot, I promise. I have a question for you while you're turning in your math book to page 283. Have you ever wondered why on your gray card, beside of spelling, let's say, there is only one grade? Does that mean you only took one spelling test? No, we take a lot of spelling tests, don't we? So why is there only one grade? Because that one grade on your spelling grade card for that 9 weeks is the average of all your spelling tests. This is the word that we're going to learn today. The word is average, okay? Now think about this. If you've ever heard the weatherman say, the average temperature for the month of April has been 63 degrees. Does that mean that it was 63 degrees every single day in April? No, it hasn't been 63 every single day in April this far, has it? So that's not what it means. They're saying the average temperature, okay? Now look in your book. At the first part in the purple box, it says the average is the middle of a group of numbers, the middle of the road, okay? Not the highest, not the lowest. So the average is the middle. So on your gray card, I average all your spelling tests together, and the middle of the road is your grade, okay? That's how it's done. So you can actually learn how to average your own grades. You could keep track of your spelling tests and figure up your own average. It's pretty fun, okay? There are some steps, and the steps are written for you in the book. I have a little chart here. I'm gonna show this to you, and you can be looking at your book at the same time, okay? Everybody see that? All right, so this says averaging numbers, number 1, find the sum. So we're gonna say, for example, that these are your spelling tests, okay? We're gonna say 1 week you made a 97, good job. 95, good. And a 90, all A's, good job. But now we're gonna average those together to find your average. We're gonna add them together, excuse me. So step 1 is find the sum. Remember, the sum means to add, okay? So we are gonna add here. What is 7 plus 5? 12. You put the 2, and they didn't carry the 1, but that's what you're doing, right? Okay, then you have 9 plus 9 plus 9. That's 3 times 9. What's that? 27. Okay, plus the carry is 28. Okay, now are we done? Is your average 282? No, that's not a grade. There is another step. Look at step 2. Divide the sum by the number of add-ins. Now, let's review what an add-in is. The add-ins are the words you add together. So add-in, add-in, add-in. What's this? This is the sum. So how many add-ins do we have here, third grade? 1, 2, 3. 3 add-ins. We added 3 numbers together, right? So now we take the sum and we divide it by the number of add-ins. So we're dividing by 3, okay? Now we're gonna do a division problem, which you already know how to do. 28 divided by 3. 3 into 28 goes 9 times. Multiply. 9 times 3, 27. Subtract, we get 1. We compare, bring down the 2. 12 divided by 3, 4. 4 times 3 is 12, right? 12 minus 12 is 0. Okay, so what is your average of your spelling tests? A 94. And that's how you figure it, okay? It's actually pretty fun. So now, let's look at the purple box, okay? They have also given you the same ones there that we just did, 97, 95, 90. So basically, here's what you do, in a nutshell. You add the numbers together, then you divide by the number of add-ins. Remember, the number of add-ins is how many numbers you added together, okay? So on number 1, find the averages, circle the answer. You see that one? Everybody with me? Okay. 77, 63, and 49. You want to do it together? Let's do the first one together, okay? And then the second one, I'll let you try on your own and see how you do. So these are already written down for you, I know. So you can go ahead and add them if you want. 77, 63, 49, okay? Now, 7 plus 3 is? Say it out loud. 10 plus 9, 19. Carry the 1, right? 7 plus 8, 7 plus 1, 8, plus 6, 14, plus 4, 18. Good, so we have 189. Now what do? We divide by the number of add-ins, right? So how many add-ins? 1, 2, 3. So we're going to do 189 divided by 3. Notice that averaging is a two-step process, okay? You add, then divide. Add, then divide. Say that with me. To average, you add, then divide. Good. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. Okay, keep going. 18 minus 18, 0. Compare. We're good. What do we do next? We bring down the 9. Very good. 9 divided by 3, class, is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. Subtract. So what is our average of these three numbers? 63. Now, this we could say would be temperatures, okay? So if we had 77, 63, and 49, right? Then what is the average temperature of these 3 days? The average temperature was 63. So you don't always use it for just grades. You can use it for a lot of different numbers. You are going to do the second one, okay? Letter B. And then you're going to answer the questions, and you're going to average also on section 3. Those are story problems. So this is something you actually use in life. Math is something, and language, all of these things that we're learning, you're actually going to use these later on. It's not torture just to make you do something to keep you busy, okay? You're actually going to use it, I promise. So you're going to do both of these pages. Work hard on the averaging. Again, if you have any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to help, okay? I'm cheering you on. I know you're going to do a great job and finish the year strong, and I'll see you soon. Bye, guys.